Hi, I'm Sophie from Just Fabrics. Today we're going to show you how to make a fabric pencil case with a zip and a contrast lining. For this project you will need some fabric, a 12-inch zipper, some scissors, a tape measure, some pins and some tailor's chalk or something to mark on your fabric. You'll need to measure out 2 rectangles of 11 by 9 inches. Once you've cut one piece, you can use that as a template to cut the other piece. You can also use these pieces as a template to cut out your lining and cut out 2 more pieces for that. Next, you'll need to get a hold of the zip. It should be about 12 inches, but it's going to sit just inside the size of the fabric. So if you put your outer fabric covering the zipper and meeting up with the edge, and then put the lining fabric right side up, meeting up with the same edge. And then you need to pin along the zip. And then you need to stitch along this line here as close to the zip as possible. And you want to do the same for the other side. So line up your 2 pieces of fabric. Stitch the same like you did for the other side. Make sure that your zipper is about halfway down before you pin so that it makes it easier to turn inside out. Sew up your side seams. So now you've sewn all your edges, you'll need to trim the corners of the bottom of the pencil case. Now you're ready to turn the pencil case inside out. And that's a finished pencil case. Thank you for watching our easy guide on how to make a fabric pencil case. You can watch more of these on the website and on social media.